Good day, I'm Caroline Brown-Thompson and this is your JIS News for July 30. Government has signed a $2.7 million contract with Stanley Consultants Incorporated to carry out a feasibility study and preliminary design for the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. The one-year study is being funded by the Inter-American Development Bank and involves assessing and designing the preferred alignment of the highway from Port Antonio to Harbor View and from Mandeville to Negril. Transport, Works and Housing Minister Dr. Omar Davies says government is committed to making the highway a reality.
Let me give you the assurance that even as we carry out the study, we'll be seeking to identify the financing to carry out that job. What we are aiming at doing is to provide a highway of a similar standard to the North Coast Highway, and which will open up a range of possibilities.
He says the project will also include the mapping of Hope River from Gordontown to Harborview to ensure the environmental integrity of the highway. The National Security Ministry has launched an association to address the prevention and response to domestic violence incidents in the parish of Manchester. The Dispute Resolution and Violence Prevention Association is being implemented in 10 Manchester communities.
Through this new association, we seek to consolidate the skills of professional counselors with community members who have undergone and more will undergo training to become first responders, capable of diffusing domestic disputes in their communities, or where they may not be able to handle it, they can escalate it to a trained counselor, pastor, or member of the community police unit.
Among other things, the association is developing a helpline for persons to report cases, a directory of relevant services, and a list of first responders to deal with cases. Youth and Culture Minister Lisa Hanna says her ministry is committed to equipping Jamaica's young people with appropriate and relevant training and education to fill available vacancies for employment. The minister was speaking at the official opening ceremony of the Commonwealth Youth Summit recently. She stressed the need to create viable business opportunities in emerging and growing areas of economic pursuits.
Our economy doesn't have the kind of fiscal space at the moment to give the kinds of on-the-job, create the short-term jobs that are important. So what we have done is we're providing opportunities for them to become ICT entrepreneurs in various ways, and it is working.
47 scholarships have been awarded to GSAT students who did well in this year's exam. They are part of the Jamaica 50 Petro-Caribe Scholarships and Awards program, which is being funded by the Petro-Caribe Development Fund to the tune of $209 million. 30 graduate and undergraduate students will also receive tertiary scholarships. The initiative is the brainchild of Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller and is in an effort to help build Jamaica's human capacity. 27 of the GSAT awardees, who are also PATH beneficiaries, will receive $180,000 each to cover auxiliary fees and subsistence costs each year from grade 7 to 13. The Prime Minister will present commemorative plaques and medals to the 47 GSAT awardees at a ceremony on July 31. And finally, learn from and be inspired by the struggles and achievements of our forefathers. That was the message delivered by Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller as she brought greetings at Sunday's Jamaica 50 National Thanksgiving service at the Holy Trinity Cathedral.
In remembering who we are and how far we have come, let us be inspired and strengthened to build the new Jamaica, a Jamaica that is consistently peaceful, productive, prosperous, and protective of all our citizens.
As Jamaica prepares to celebrate 50 years of nationhood, the Prime Minister is urging all citizens to join in building an economy that serves the needs of the people and to promote peace, love and unity. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Caroline Brown-Thompson. Thanks for watching.